Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on March 31st. Market analysis. The global trade tension triggered by the Trump administration's new tariff policy in the United States has intensified, and the market risk aversion has remained high. The spot gold market has hit a record high of $3,115.89 per ounce, and it is currently fluctuating near a historical high. Currently, it is trading at $3,112 per ounce, and the Asian market has reached a record high this trading day. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in the main mood. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of 3107 to 3120, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,120 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 3130 to 3140. If the afternoon market breaks 3,107 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 3097 to 3087. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is at a low level in hours and at a low level in 15 minutes. Short-term 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.0805 to 1.0845. Investors can flexibly sell at high prices and buy at low prices within this range. If the exchange rate in the afternoon successfully breaks through 1.0845 points, we can consider intervening in multiple orders, and the upper target position can be set in the range of 1.0885 to 1.0915. If it falls below 1.0805 points, you can consider intervening in empty orders, and the target position below can be seen in the range of 1.0770 to 1.0720. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar fluctuates at a high level on the hourly chart and at a high level on the 15-minute chart. The fluctuation range is 1.2912 to 1.2973, and it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2973 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 1.3020 to 1.3080. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2912 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 1.2870 to 1.2810. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6269 to 0.6302. If the market breaks 0.6302 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6365 to 0.6390. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6269 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6235 to 0.6210. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a volatile stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in the oscillation stage, and the oscillation range is 148.71 to 149.25. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen falls below 148.71 points in the afternoon, you can consider intervening in empty orders, and the target position below can be seen in the range of 148.10 to 147.60. If you successfully break through 149.25 points, you can consider intervening in multiple orders, and the upper target position can be set in the range of 150.00 to 150.65. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.